Hello friends, welcome again online class. Today we are going to discuss very important part, use as well as. Use as well as in a sentence as a conjunction or as a preposition. When we use as well as in a sentence as a conjunction, that means and addition, and when we use it as a preposition, that means in addition to. When we use as well as in a sentence as a conjunction, that means we use two words, two phrases or two clauses, main clause and subordinate clause, or two sentences. When we use it as a preposition in a sentence, that time we join two nouns or two pronouns. For example, x as well as y, or y as well as x. But here x is emphasis than y, and here y emphasis than x. For your better understanding, here is another good example for you. John as well as Mary came to the party. That means in this sentence, John and Mary, those are the subject or those are the nouns. We join those two nouns with as well as, and when we join those two nouns with not only John but also Mary came to the party. But what is the difference here? Here emphasis on John, and here we emphasis on Mary. Means in first sentence, or when we join sentence, join two words with as well as, that time we emphasis on first subject, and with not only but also we emphasis on second subject. When we combine two subjects, that time we should follow the first subject. That means our verb should follow the likely to be the first sentence. For your better understanding, on the screen there is very good example for you. The gorilla as well as the orangutan is a primate. You know better, gorilla is one kind of monkey, and orangutan is also a monkey. Primate means without tail. Here we join gorilla, those two subjects, those two nouns, gorilla and orangutan, with as well as, but we follow verb follow first subject of the sentence, gorilla. When we use gorilla and orangutan, that time we use are the primate. For your better understanding, another example on the screen. He and I are at home. When we use as well as to join he and I pronouns, that time he as well as I is at home. You know better from this sentence how verb likely to the first subject. And when we use and, what is the difference? Generally people make mistake as well as use in place of and or as and, but there is different meaning as well as and. As well as means one of the atoms observes emphasis, and means all the things on a list are equal. Here is Another example for you. There is an example, his biology and history. In first sentence we emphasis on biology, and in a second sentence both subjects are equal. We emphasis on both. List all the things in a sentence. That is the difference to you when we use and as well as. And another example for you, when we use as well as with gerund means ing form or v3 form of verb. That time it used as a conjunction. Here is example for you on the screen. As well as playing golf with Steve, I play badminton with my brother at the weekend. Here are two sentences. First sentence is subordinate clause and second sentence is main clause. In both clauses we join with as well as. Second sentence, he makes the cakes as well as selling them too. Here we emphasis on cakes. We next try to understand as well as use in examples better. Students, here are some examples for you. Here are various 4 examples. First example, he began to worry. His wife began to worry. When we join those two sentences with as well as, that time here are two subjects, he and his wife. Those are the two subjects. We join those two subjects with as well as, he as well as his wife began to worry. That is the example when there are two different subjects and we join those subjects with as well as. Second example, he tended his plants, he labored over his task. Here are also two sentences, different sentences, but here are two different verbs, tended and labor. We use as well as to join those two verbs. He tended his plants, that is a different word, as well as labored over his task. We use here as well as to join two verbs. Here, third example is when there are two different objects. That time, here is the example, he was rewarded by the police, he was rewarded by the jeweler. Here are two different objects. What are the objects? By the police and the jeweler. When we use as well as to join those different objects, he was rewarded by the police as well as by the jeweler. Last example for you. Here are two different adjectives, rich and powerful. And we use as well as to join those two sentences as a conjunction. He was rich as well as powerful. That means rich as well as powerful. Here we use as well as to join two different adjectives. Students, I will send you some examples for practice. You try as your own at home to use as well as in sentence.